in the dynamic landscape of digital marketing. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for businesses aiming to make impactful decisions. REV Ad Manager emerges as a powerful tool, offering users the ability to visualize market trends through intuitive charts, empowering them to make informed marketing. To begin your journey with REV Ad Manager, the first step involves creating an account. Once registered, users are greeted with a user-friendly dashboard that serves as the central hub. For all activities, navigate through the dashboard to explore the various tools and features available for REV Ad Manager to provide accurate insights. It's essential to connect your data sources, integrate your sales, customer, and marketing data seamlessly to ensure a comprehensive overview of your business metrics. REV Ad Manager's market chart is a visual representation of market trends, providing a bird's-eye view of the competitive landscape. The chart aggregates data from various sources to create a comprehensive snapshot of the market dynamics. Users can tailor their market chart experience by customizing parameters such as timeframes, geographic regions, and industry segments. This flexibility enables a detailed analysis tailored to specific business needs. One of the primary benefits of REV Ad Manager is its ability to highlight market peaks and valleys. Understanding these trends is essential for optimizing advertising strategies, ensuring maximum impact during high-demand periods and cost-effectiveness during lulls. REV Ad Manager allows users to overlay competitor data on their market charts. This feature provides invaluable insights into the strategies of key competitors, aiding in the development of a competitive marketing approach. Armed with a comprehensive understanding of market trends, users can make data-driven decisions regarding budget allocation. REV Ad Manager helps optimize spending by aligning it with peak periods and strategically positioning products in the market. Utilize REV Ad Manager's demographic and behavioral data to refine target audience parameters. Identify the segments most responsive to your products and tailor marketing campaigns accordingly. With insights gathered from REV Ad Manager, launch marketing campaigns with confidence. Monitor the real-time impact of your strategies and make on-the-fly adjustments as needed. REV Ad Manager doesn't stop at market analysis. It provides robust tools for tracking the performance of your campaigns. Evaluate key performance indicators, assess ROI, and refine your approach for continual improvement. REV Ad Manager stands as a beacon in the realm of marketing tools, offering users a comprehensive and intuitive platform for market analysis and strategy optimization. By harnessing the power of its market chart, businesses can make informed decisions, maximizing the impact of their marketing effort.